Gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another exciting video. So today I'm gonna share this beautiful makeup look tutorial. So this looks amazing to create and looks elegant. So this look, it was inspired by none other than Aditi Rao Hydari from Heramaandi, the Dimond Bazar. So without any delay, let's jump into the video, guys. As you can see, I try to create this beautiful makeup look. So firstly I'm gonna start with my base makeup. So firstly I'm gonna use a Biotique toner, then I'm gonna use a moisturizer from Cetaphil. I'm applying it very gently and try to hydrate my skin. Then I'm gonna use a primer from Colorbar. This is the silicone based primer, so I'm gonna use a silicone based primer because in the picture you can see that her skin was very smooth, very mattified. So I'm gonna use that primer in my skin and I'm applying it on my T-zone very gently and try to fill my pores. And then I'm gonna color correct my dark circles. For that I'm gonna use Forever 52 color corrector palette. From that palette I'm gonna use a orange color corrector and hide my dark spots, and then with a blending brush I blend everything out very gently and smoothly. So in this you have to be patient when you're blending, and how beautifully you blend, the makeup looks very natural and very beautiful. And that's it. And then I'm going to use a illegal foundation, and this looks little lighter, but after some time it's looks okay. Then from the same palette I'm going to use a contour shade and contour my face. Then I'm using a concealer from L'Oreal and I'm using it on my usual points under my eyes, nose, of the bridge, cheekbones, q-tips, bows and all, and then blend it out, everything out very smoothly. And I'm here using a beauty blender to blend everything out, and then I'm gonna blend it first contour, then using another side of the beauty blender and blend the concealer. Then I'm gonna set the base. For that I'm gonna use Kryloan translucent powder, and then I'm gonna use angular puff and then set my base with that. Then I'm gonna use Sugar Ka contour palette, and as in the picture as I can see, and you guys also see that her face was very chiseled, very sharp, very warmed. So that's why I'm gonna using a contour palette. I'm gonna contour my face and nose. Then after that I'm gonna use blush. For that I'm gonna use iMagic professional palette, and from that palette I'm going to use this pink peachy shades and apply it very gently, and apply it on my nose also. Then to set my entire base I'm going to use NYX professional makeup fixer. This is from NYX professional fixer mattifying. Then for the highlighter I'm going to use Maybelline Master Comb palette, and you can check the description box for all the products details. And then I'm just wait for some time, then I'm gonna jump into creating the eye look. For that I'm gonna firstly draw my eyebrows. For that I'm gonna use a brow pencil from Blue Heaven, then beautiful paint when draw my eyebrow, and then using the same concealer from L'Oreal and create a eye base for eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna use this palette for eyeshadow. I took these shades, then I pick a small blending brush, and in the outer corner to inner corner I use a dark brown shade and blend it out with a light orange shade. Then use a little bit of red to create that effect, and then using a shimmer shade in all over my eyelid, and this is the bronzy shimmer shade. Then blend it out, everything out. And then for eyeliner, I'm using my Faces Canada eyeliner. I'm doing a very thin line and create a wing and create an inner corner. Then the same brush, with the help of the same brush and same shadows, I applied on my lower lash line. Then for the mascara, I'm gonna use Maybelline ka mascara and apply it on my false lashes. Then I'm gonna use a false lashes that's totally optional. She didn't wear it any false lashes, but I want to, so I wear it. And then for the lipstick time and how is the eye look. For lipstick, I'm using a red lipstick from Colorbar, and then I'm using a second lipstick for that maroonish effect, and this is from Shoes Beauty, a Peach Day. And I beautifully blend everything out, and here's my final look. I guess you guys really enjoy the video and enjoy the tutorial also. And that's it for today. And if you really like my videos, you can follow me on my social medias. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more updates, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And that's all for today. I catch you on the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching.